Hello everyone, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video, we'll be solving one very interesting exponential equation for the real values of x. So let's get started by multiplying 2 plus square root 3 with 2 minus square root 3. A plus b times a minus b will use difference of two squares identity, and we can write 2 square minus root 3 square, which will be equal to 4 minus 3. So we can write 2 plus square root 3 times 2 minus square root 3 will be equal to 4 minus 3, which is 1. So from here we can find 2 minus root 3 value in terms of 2 plus root 3. It will be 1 over 2 plus root 3. So here we can write 1 over 2 plus square root 3. So we can write equation 2 plus root 3 with whole power x square minus 6 plus 1 over 2 plus root 3 with whole power x square minus 6 equal to 14. Using properties from exponent, we can write 2 plus square root 3 whole power x square minus 6 plus 1 over 2 plus square root 3 whole power x square minus 6 equal to 14. Now we can use substitution. If we will consider 2 plus square root 3 with whole power x square minus 6 equal to u. Let me write here. Let us consider 2 plus square root 3 with whole power x square minus 6 equal to u. So we will write our equation u plus 1 over u equal to 14. Now u is exponential function. U cannot be equal to 0 for real values of x or u. Now we can multiply our equation by u both sides. We'll get u square plus 1 equal to 14u. By writing all the terms to one side, we'll write u square minus 14u plus 1 equal to 0. Equation is quadratic. We will solve using completing the square method. So I need to take this plus 1 to right hand side. We will get u square minus 14u equal to negative 1. Coefficient of u is minus 14. Half of minus 14 is minus 7. Square of minus 7 is 49. We'll add 49 to both sides. Now LHS will give us one perfect square of u minus 7. We will write u minus 7 whole square equal to 48. And 48 can be factorized 16 times 3. Now we'll write u minus 7 whole square equal to 4 square times 3. We'll take square root both sides and get u minus 7 equal to plus minus 4 square root 3. Now we have to add 7 to both sides. We will get u equal to 7 plus minus 4 square root 3. Now u is our substitution. If we will write 2 plus square root 3 raised to the power x square minus 6 will be equal to 7 plus 4 root 3 and 7 minus 4 root 3. Now we will multiply 7 plus 4 root 3 with 7 minus 4 root 3. Let's check what will come out. Again we have a plus b times a minus b form. We'll use difference of two squares formula and write 7 square minus 4 root 3 whole square, which will be equal to 49 minus 48. So we can write here value will be 1. So from here we'll get 7 minus 4 root 3 value in terms of 7 plus 4 root 3. Let us write 7 minus 4 root 3 will be equal to 1 over 7 plus 4 root 3. By writing our denominator in numerator, we'll use one exponent property and write 7 plus 4 root 3 with power minus 1. So we can write 2 plus square root 3 whole square minus 6 equal to 7 plus 4 root 3 comma 7 plus 4 root 3 whole power minus 1. Now we will find 7 plus 4 root 3 in terms of 2 plus square root 3. So I will write here 7 plus 4 root 3 can be written as 4 plus 3 plus 4 times root 3. 4 is 2 square. 3 is root 3 square. 4 can be factorized 2 times 2 times square root 3. So if I will consider 2 as a, root 3 as b, then this is a square plus b square plus 2ab, which will be equal to 2 plus root 3 whole square. So we can write 2 plus root 3 whole power x square minus 6 will be equal to 7 plus 4 root 3. Let me write once, comma 7 plus 4 root 3 with power minus 1. Now we will replace 7 plus 4 root 3 with 2 plus square root 3 whole square. So we can write this will be equal to 2 plus square root 3 whole square. And here we'll write 2 plus square root 3 whole square and then whole power minus 1, which will be equal to 2 plus root 3 whole power minus 2. So I can write here 2 plus square root 3 with whole power plus minus 2. In LHS, 2 plus square root 3 whole power x square minus 6. Bases are same. We are going to equate exponents. So we will write x square minus 6 equal to plus minus 2. X square minus 6 equal to plus minus 2. Or we can write x square minus 6 equal to plus 2 and minus 2. Now we have to add 6 to both sides. So we will get x square will be equal to 6 plus 2 and 6 minus 2 will be x square equal to 8 comma 6 minus 2 is 4. Now we have to take square root both sides. So x will be equal to plus minus square root 8 plus minus square root 4. Now we know that square root 8 can be written as plus minus 2 root 2. And square root 4 is 2, so plus minus 2. So we have 4 real values of x which will satisfy our exponential equation. So I will write here x equal to 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 plus 2 and minus 2. 4 real values of x will satisfy our equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.